Take a look at the rubber safety barrier on the platform. Somebody's gone out of their way to kick most of the rubber things away. That's just vandalisation, you know, and it's away from where the station master is. That's really bad. I can't believe somebody did that. Here comes the express train to the city. It's about a 1 hour train trip into the city. Comfortable, large seats, air conditioning. Really good service. I found a nice large coffee shop in Strathfield. Time for a cappuccino. And of course, after a day out, it's time to come home.